I'm gonna show you how to make fillable PDF forms in Adobe Acrobat. So to get started, you have to open any forms or file that you have that you want to make it fillable. For example, right here. So I'm just gonna open this one, and then from there, all you have to do is just go to all tools. So just click on all tools. Let's make sure that this already is a fillable form right here, and then when you want to add or make more, so from here just select on all tools and then click on prepare a form. So from here, Acrobat will just automatically search for a fillable form in your format, and then make sure that it's already in fillable form. You can check it on the fields right beside this one, so you can edit the fillable form via name or address or whatever you want to name this one. So to add, all you have to do is we'll just create a new one, which you're gonna put in text first, and then we'll have to input, for example, let's say telephone number. So we'll just input telephone number on the text right here, and then once you're done with creating a text first, we can make a now a fillable form by going to scroll down right here and then add a fillable form right below this one. So just edit this one out, and then once you're done with that, just have to scroll down right here and then create a text field. So from here, just have created the fillable form by clicking on text field right here, and then edit its properties. Let's say this one is a telephone field, and then when you want to add more, you can just add anything that you want. Also, we want to add, let's say we want to add a text box in our form. So we'll just have to go to text again and then create a text using the text button right there, and then input let's say check this box, etc., or whatever you want to name the checkbox. And then after you created or inputted a text right there, you just have to go to scroll down again and then put a checkbox right below this one. So from here, just click on checkbox right button right here, and then paste it on wherever you want to paste it on your file. So from here, just click on file or text box right there, and then once you're done with that, you can add also image field right there, and then input let's say upload image or upload 2x2, upload photo, and then put a text box or a file right here, and then let's say upload 2x2 photo right there, and then after that, you just done. So once you're done, you just have to save all of this one, and then you just have to test it if it's already fillable. So let's just try it. So from here, just create an account name, let's say this one, and then the address, and then the telephone number. Also, let's try to check also the checkbox or upload an image. When you click on upload an image, it will just automatically a pop-up will show there that you can import or select an image right there. So that's pretty much it. That's how to create fillable PDF forms in Adobe Acrobat.